Imagine the world without trees. We rely on them for more than just beauty. Trees are nature's powerful carbon capture machines. They absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere and store it in their wood, roots, and soil, acting as natural air purifiers. This process, known as carbon sequestration, is crucial for regulating the climate. But what happens when trees are removed? When forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, or urbanization, the stored carbon in the trees is released back into the atmosphere as CO2. This disrupts the balance of carbon in the air and accelerates climate change. In fact, deforestation accounts for nearly 10% of global carbon emissions, a staggering amount that contributes to global warming. Let's explore the science behind how carbon sequestration works and why it's so vital for climate regulation. Forests do more than just store carbon. They also influence rainfall patterns. Through a process called transpiration, trees release moisture into the atmosphere, which helps form clouds and contributes to regional precipitation. In areas where forests are disappearing, we're seeing disruptions in these rainfall patterns, often leading to drier conditions and more severe droughts. The complex relationship between trees and weather goes beyond just rain. Forests create microclimates, cooling the environment, moderating temperature fluctuations, and even affecting wind patterns. So when forests are removed, it's not just about losing trees, it's about losing a crucial regulator of the Earth's climate systems. But it's not all doom and gloom. Forests play a major role in mitigating climate change. Reforestation, replanting trees in deforested areas, is one of the most effective ways to fight back against climate change. In addition, sustainable forest management practices can help preserve existing forests and restore degraded ecosystems. Innovative solutions like agroforestry, integrating trees with agriculture, also help maintain biodiversity, improve soil health, and increase carbon storage. However, protecting forests requires global cooperation and policy changes. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play. We need stronger policies that protect forests, stop deforestation, and incentivize reforestation. Forests are not just carbon sinks. They are vital to biodiversity and ecosystem services. They provide habitat for millions of species, clean air and water, and support the livelihoods of over 1.6 billion people worldwide. Healthy forests also contribute to the economy through sustainable timber production, ecotourism, and cultural heritage. But the loss of forests is also a loss of biodiversity, and ultimately, a loss of the ecosystem services that support human well-being. Climate change and biodiversity loss are deeply interconnected, and protecting forests is a key part of addressing both issues. It's time for all of us to take action. You can help by planting trees, supporting reforestation projects, and reducing your carbon footprint. Many organizations are working to conserve forests and promote sustainable practices. Consider donating or volunteering for these initiatives. Advocate for policies that protect forests and ensure sustainable forest management at local, national, and global levels. Together, we can make a difference and create a future where trees continue to shape our climate for generations to come. The next time you walk in a forest, remember that those trees are doing more than just growing. They're actively working to keep our planet balanced. By protecting our forests, we protect our climate, our biodiversity, and ultimately ourselves. Let's plant the seeds for change today.